I want to invite you to come along with me to photograph this family session behind the scenes. But before we really get into it, I want to invite you to download a brand new free resource that I have for you that if you are watching this video, I think you are really going to enjoy. And that is my 10 must-have prompts for authentic family photos. And a lot of these prompts I actually use in this exact family session behind the scenes. So I go through all of my favorite action-filled, authentic, genuine prompts for family photos, and I give you tons of variations on how you can use them in different ways. You can do a whole family session with just these 10 prompts with all of the variations that I give you and end up with tons and tons and tons of variety from each session. So go ahead and download that. That's going to be the first link in the description box down below, and you can even follow along with those 10 prompts as you watch this family session behind the scenes. So this family session is one that I filmed for my new posing course for family photographers called Mastering Authentic Connection, the complete posing course for family photographers. So in that course, you actually get to watch me photograph 4 full family sessions behind the scenes. So you get to hear what I say to my clients to achieve each pose, and you get to watch in real time how I deal with and overcome difficult situations, such as, for example, this family right here has 3 kids under 3. So you can imagine, what they go through as parents, but also what it's like to photograph 3 kids under 3. And all of these kids were feeling very shy and basically did not want to do anything I was suggesting, which is totally fine. This is something we deal with all the time as family photographers, right? So you'll get to watch how I overcome that and still end up with amazing, beautiful photos and a video. So during this session, I was actually taking both photos and videos. So I'll go ahead and link the full gallery to this session so you can see the photos that we ended up with. And I'll also link the full highlight video. I create family highlight videos. If you do not know what those are, it's basically like a wedding highlight video, but for family sessions. It's not something that a lot of photographers do, but I'm so excited to offer this for my families. So I'll go ahead and link their full highlight video down below as well as their full gallery so that you can see what we came up with out of this session. It was so fun. It was actually one of my favorite sessions that I've ever gotten to photograph. I think the photos turned out so beautifully, even with these kids basically saying no to everything that I was suggesting. And yeah, just feeling very shy and clingy with their parents. So I couldn't, the youngest does not walk, but the other 2 I couldn't really get to, get down from their parents' arms very much. So it'll be really fun for you to watch exactly how I handle that situation. And then the 3 other family sessions that I photographed for the behind the scenes of my new course are also so fun, but full of challenges that you'll get to see how I overcome, such as, again, toddlers saying no, toddlers crying or having meltdowns, or just generally not really wanting to take photos, and you'll get to see how I overcome that, and you'll also get to watch basically just how I make everyone feel super comfortable in order to get the real, genuine, authentic family photos. If you haven't noticed by now, I am all about authenticity. In my opinion, no 2 family sessions should be the same, and I'm not a photographer who believes in quote unquote systems or posing workflows where you go through the exact same poses at every family session. One, because how boring would that be for you as the photographer to just do the same thing all the time and have the same photos all the time? But also, it's not genuine. It's not authentic to the family. If you're not creating a gallery full of images that truly showcase their personalities, their love as a family, their connection, and you want each of your galleries to truly be unique to each family. You want your mamas, when they look at their full gallery, to feel like, wow, this truly represents us as a family. And all of my moms tell me, I cry happy tears looking at my photos and watching my videos because I truly feel like this represents the exact stage of life that we are in right now. And that just makes my heart so happy as a photographer to truly be able to capture that authenticity of like what life is really like with 3 kids under 3. Or in one of my behind the scenes sessions, you'll watch as I photograph twin toddlers and a baby. And like this season of life for that family is chaotic, but it's also so sweet and so fun. I don't know if you're a parent, but as a mama myself, I have 2 under 2, and like it's a season of life where you're not sleeping very much and things can be crazy. Your house is always a mess, but it's just the absolute sweetest season of life, and one that I know that I'm gonna miss someday when my kids are grown up and out of the house. And these are the days that I'm going to think back on and think like these were the best years of my life. So anyway, that's what I truly want to capture for my families. I want to capture that feeling of these are my best days, and like I get to relive those forever because I have these videos and these photos that my photographer created for me. So, so sweet. So as part of the new course, Mastering Authentic Connection, not only do you get to watch me photograph these 4 full family sessions behind the scenes, but you also get tons and tons of sit-down lessons where I go through all of my prompts for every type of family situation. You get to watch as I explain my prompts and poses that work well for any type of family situation. And then I will go through all of my prompts and poses specifically for babies and toddlers, my prompts and poses specifically for older children, and then I will go through how I photograph extended family sessions as well. And then you'll also get to see how I overcome any potential challenges. I know that a lot of us as family photographers deal with working with grumpy dads, where maybe the mom booked the photo session and the dad's not really into it, doesn't really want to be there. And like, how do you get the dad involved in ways that feel truly authentic and not overly cheesy, but also like that he's excited to do, right? I know when I first started out, I had a lot of dads where I would try to give them these like fun, candid prompts, and they would just be like, no, not doing that. So you'll get to hear how I overcome all of that. You'll get to get tons and tons of tips and tricks for working with toddlers. Working with toddlers is my absolute favorite thing in the world. They're so much fun. And then you will also get to learn how I work with families with special needs. I feel like that is something that just not enough photographers are trained in doing, working with kids with special needs. And I hear that from families with special needs all the time, basically, that like photographers just have no idea how to work with them and no idea how to like tailor their sessions for different families. It's like, well, if you don't fit into my posing workflow that I always do, then I can't work with you. And truly the biggest thing that you are going to learn in this course is how to tailor your prompts and poses to each individual family based on their personalities. I truly want each of my galleries to fully represent the family's personality, their love, their connection, and just the joy of where they are right now in this season of life. So if that sounds like what you are wanting to capture too, I would love to have you join me inside my new course, Mastering Authentic Connection. Or if you just want a free resource right now, totally fine, totally understandable. I have that free download for you. That's going to be the first link in the description. And that is my top 10 must-have prompts for authentic family photos. And like I said, I give you tons and tons of variations for each of those 10 prompts as well. So you could do a whole family session with just those 10 prompts. If you are a photographer who loves this authentic, genuine, candid style of posing, that is exactly what I do. It's what I teach you in the course, and it's what I go through in my free download as well. So I would love to either see you inside of my course where you can learn everything A to Z about family posing, or just see you inside of my free download, my 10 favorite prompts for authentic family photos. So go go ahead and download that in the description down below, or go ahead and jump into my course if you are ready to learn everything A to Z about posing families, and just truly ready to take your photography to the next level. I hope you enjoyed seeing this little sped up version of this super fun family session that I got to photograph with 3 kids under 3. I cannot wait to see you inside of one of my resources soon.